The Paper Boutique is a new brand from our friends at Creative Expressions, who are based in England, and this is a new paper kit. It is a paper pack with some die cuts, and it's called Happy Days, and you'll see why in just a second. Now, the paper comes in a pad like this. It's padded at the top. They are 8 by 8. There are 36 sheets. They're all single-sided, and you're going to get 6 of each one. So let me show you what each of them looks like. So you see the florals right here, an all-over pattern, and then we have a gingham in the tan, so that's nice. Look at these charming animals. You can see the deer and the bunny and the bear and so forth, so that's all over. Then we have a smaller gingham, or a gingham with the flowers on it, so that's pretty. Then we have this, which is kind of a tone-on-tone, obviously, and I think would work really well as a background for lots of things. Then we have the border with that gingham on the center, and so that's the 6 designs. Now, just to show you what else will work with this is I thought it'd be fun to bring in some ribbons. So our brown collection works beautifully, and our red collection. So just wanted to give you that option of things that you can add to it. And in the brown collection, there is even a brown gingham. So that's kind of a nice play on it. Now, back to why we bought the kit. This is why, because of these absolutely charming die cuts. There are 16 of these squares. They measure 3 1/8 inches each way because it's a square, and aren't they cute? So you can see the flowers are there, the gingham is there. So you've got them in squares. You also have another set in the circle. Again, they measure 3 1/8 inches across. So you're going to end up with 16 circles, 16 squares, 36 of the papers, all in this one collection. And we thought that was just really a very charming collection to have. So I hope you enjoy these at paperwishes.com.